In the last few videos, we have made complete changes on the backend in order to generate JWT tokens. And we are also sending the generated JWT token inside the response as a header value with the name authorization. So now in this video, let's try to make some changes on the client application side as well to capture that value. And at the same time, for all future requests that this application is going to make post successful logging in, we have to make sure that we are passing the same JWT token inside the request to the backend, so the backend can validate every time we pass a request to prove our authentication and authorization. So I am at the login.component.ts. Here, this is the place where the login of the user will happen by communicating to the backend. Once I get the response from the backend, what I can do is I can populate the authorization JWT token from the header of the response and put it into the session storage with the value authorization. So now my authorization value is inside the session storage of my browser, but in order to send the same value every time I'm making a request to the backend, I have to make a change inside the interceptor file that we have written for the CSRF tokens. Before that, since we have removed all the CSRF related stuff on the backend, we can remove on the front end also, not storing that value no more. Now I'll go to the interceptor file. I'm going to remove the CSRF related code and add a code which will add our authorization JWT token every time to the backend when a request is happening. So here you can see I'm trying to get that value from the session storage. If it is a not null, I'm sending in the request header with the value authorization and it's a JWT token value. So this will make sure that I'm sending my same JWT token every time to the backend. So now let's try to start the servers both on the front end and the back end and try to test how these JWT tokens are working in the next video. Thank you and see you in the next lecture. Bye.